1994 Volvo station wagon turbo. Check out this beast all the way from North Carolina. So let me show you guys. Converter right there. Then we did a resonator or mid muffler delete right there. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there. And if you guys can see, look where the pipe is going. Up, up, up and away. And then we got a tractor flap on it. See that? Hell yeah. Right there, bro. On a Volvo. The first Volvo with a tractor flap. Volvo 850. There it is. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Let's see it's flapping. Yeah, it's flapping. He likes it. Yeah. It's so funny. I love it. Your sound decibels, it's loud. Again? Right at 111. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up, bro. Yay. He's happy. That's all that matters. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right before Due West Avenue. And right down the street from Skyline Hospital. There it is, flapping. Go! Because, you know, why not? Oh, yeah. And you can't forget the 12s in the back. You see the 12s? Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Alright, well I can't roll the window up. So inside and kind of outside still.
Here we go. Volvo 850 with a flap. Do it again. All right, go. Can't beat a Volvo station wagon, bro. You went all the way to North Carolina and picked it up. It's so loud. I love it. Enjoy, guys.